Ever had a window crack or completely shatter out of nowhere? We know how frustrating that can be, but don't stress, we're here to help. At Glass Guru, we specialise in fast, professional window glass repair and window glass replacement to restore your home or business quickly and hassle-free. With over 200 5-star reviews, our customers trust us for reliable service, top quality materials and expert workmanship. Whether it's a small crack or completely shattered pane, a full window glass replacement, we handle all types of glass, including timber and aluminium windows. We're also QBCC licensed 1055176, meaning you can get the highest standards in safety and quality, backed by industry expertise you can count on. And here's something extra, we offer pensioner discounts because we believe in helping everyone get affordable, high quality glass repairs when they need it. So if you're looking for trusted window glass repair or window glass replacement, give us a call today. Fast, professional and affordable. Glass Guru is Brisbane's go-to glass repair specialist.